All right, what's up, everybody? So today's been a good day. I'm done trading. It's Friday. It's 11 a.m. already. So just going to recap the trades really quick. You can see I'm trading on these accounts here. We'll see. I can make it easier for people to see. So I'll just go ahead and scroll through them. So you can see that this one's at $400. That's a 50K PA. You can see right here the total amount. So that's technically second day of me trading this one. But the first day had nothing happen because I had to have the account reset. And so, well, yeah, third day. So technically this third day, but it looks like I've been trading for one day. Let's see. If I scroll down here, the next account is going to be, well, hold on. I don't have it set up so I can like easily show each one. I kind of got to do something like this. All right. Next account, I'm up 440. I did copy trade all these accounts, and then I just finished off the ones that had a little bit of slippage separately. So the next one is 885. That is a 250K account. Copy traded, just duplicated the orders. So, yeah, so just duplicated the orders. And then the other one was also $800 as well. That's the other 250K one. And I think that's it for today. That's all I'm trading for today. So I'm only traded 6 accounts today. But the reason why 6 is because I did blow up one account already. And I still have my Trade Evade accounts that I can't, I have my Trade Evade accounts that I can't trade right now because I'm still waiting for payouts to be approved. Once payouts are approved, then I can go back to trading on those. So in total for the day, let's just do this really quick. I know there's a way to see it in the Rhythmic dashboard. Maybe I should figure that out really quick. Let's open up the Rhythmic trader dashboard. What I need to open up? No. Apex trader dashboard, positions, performance. Ah, here we go. All right, so if I open up performance, I can see the PAs for today. So that was a total of $33,240 on the day so far. So great Friday. If you don't know anything about Fridays, is trade in the morning, walk away from your computer the afternoon. The afternoon is just a lot of times just gets nasty. It just starts to consolidate after like noon usually. And so yeah, we're on this big crazy rip right now. We're on a huge rip, right? I will bet you that once we get to the pivot, so once we get to we look on the let's look on the NQ 2 minute here. So once we get to this pivot probably here or in this zone, for the rest of the day, we'll probably end up doing something like, when I say probably, I'm just speaking about Fridays. Probably might come up here and we might start to bounce like this and just consolidate for the rest of the day. Or we go above the pivot and then bounce and then just start consolidating on the pivot. Either one of those is kind of the expected move that I have literally for the rest of the day. It's just not, it's not going to be worth trading. I don't think it's going to be worth trading. That's going to be the R1 pivot that we're coming up to. I don't think it's going to go higher than yesterday's high. And even if it does, it would be stuck between this section right here, right, and the pivot. So it's going to bounce in this zone probably. Either way, long story short, end of day Fridays, not worth trading. Don't trade it. You know, if you're green in the morning on Fridays, walk away because it is so easy to give away money. That's it. Hope you guys have a good Friday. Peace.